The Radial Engineering Catapult Mini RX is a compact receive module that lets you repurpose common network cabling as a multi-channel analog audio snake. Paired with the matching transmit unit, it can carry 4 balanced audio channels over a single shielded network cable, which dramatically cuts down on bulky stage wiring. Because the system is entirely passive and keeps the signal in the analog domain, there is no latency, no digital conversion, and very little to go wrong in demanding live or studio environments. Its straightforward design makes it easy to drop into existing building network runs, allowing you to move microphone or line-level signals cleanly between distant rooms. The metal chassis and rugged connectors feel ready for touring, inspiring confidence that it will survive being tossed in a gig bag or rack drawer. For engineers who regularly need to extend audio to remote locations without installing traditional multicore snakes, this receiver is a tidy, reliable, and sonically transparent solution.